Till date we have seen what is data visualization and why it is so widely used, because data visualization is a concept by using which we are able to present our complex data in very interesting way. So what is importance of data visualization? The primary goal is to communicate information very clearly. As I said, we are trying to tell everything about big data and its technique. So the primary goal of data visualization is to communicate the information clearly and efficiently via statistical graphics, plots, and information graphics. So numerical data may be encoded using dots, lines, or bars to visually communicate the quantitative message. The effective visualization helps the users analyze and reason about the data evidence, and it makes complex data accessible, understandable, and usable. So because of that, it helps the users to analyze about data and evidence, because the human brain processing way is very visualizing, we can say, that understands the visualization things. So by using charts and graphs, we can visualize large amount of complex data in spite of presenting it in the textual format. So we can say that data visualization is quick, easy way to convey the concepts in universal manner, and we can experiment the different scenarios by making the slight adjustments. So data visualization can also identify the areas that need attention or improvement. They clarify which factors influence the customer behavior. Data visualization helps us to understand which products we should place at which location. Data visualization predict the sales volumes. Because of data visualization solutions, the business tools can be developed. They can afford to hire business analysts, citizen data scientists, and BI experts. Data visualization is also capable of performing the sophisticated discovery and data analysis. They can do the internal consulting of groups. Somehow data visualization is clumsy for mid-sized business, and that should be avoided. Now when we are talking about data visualization, by the graphical displays we can show the data. By graphical display, we can induce the viewer to think about the substance rather than the methodology. Then it avoids distorting what the data has to say. Graphical display present many numbers in a small space. Graphical display makes larger data sets very coherent. Graphical display encourage the eye to compare different pieces of data. Graphical display reveal the data at several levels of detail, from the broad overview to the fine structure. It serves the clear purpose, that is description, exploration, tabulation, or decoration. Graphical display should be closely integrated with the statistical and verbal description of data sets. So when we are trying to visualize the data, we are thinking from all these perceptions, and that's why the data visualization is doing its way or purpose of communication in a clear and efficient way by the various graphical means. And because of that, the data visualization is important, because of data visualization, analyzing is done in a better way. Because of data visualization, the decision making is faster, because of graphical and diagrammatic and tabular ways, we are grasping the data very much easily, making sense of complicated data. If we are going through complicated data, many times we used to get bored. but if it is presented in a very precise way, then we can easily understand the complicated data. So the one of the importance is making sense of complicated data as well. So this is all about the importance of data visualization. Now in the next section we will see the conventional data visualization methods. Thank you.